Hello everyone, in this quick video, I'll show you how to automate changing scenes in OBS Studio. Here, I have two scenes, an intro and a main scene. Instead of clicking between them manually, let's set up hotkeys to switch automatically using your keyboard. Go to the File menu and click Settings, then select the Hotkeys tab. Now find your scene names. For example, set F4 to switch to your intro scene and F5 to switch to your main scene. Once done, click Apply and OK. Now, when you press F4, OBS will go to your intro scene, and pressing F5 will switch back to your main scene, and that's it. That's how simple it is to automate scene changes in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.